Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you can easily send a voice message in Telegram app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let's begin, and first up Telegram app. Then right here, hit on chats to move on to your chats list. And then just enter some conversation. Now here, in order to send a voice message, you should stop right here at that microphone icon. If right here you see a dead camera icon, that means if you hold down that icon, it will start recording video message using your frontal camera. So if you want to send just a voice message, hit on that icon once to switch it to audio message icon. Then just hold down at that icon and start recording that message. Once you holding your finger at that screen, the message is being recorded. As you can see, I've been talking for 12 seconds already. Also, you can move on your finger towards that lock icon. And now you are not have to hold down your finger at that screen. You can just talk. It can be useful if you want to record a long voice message. Once you've finished with that, you can hit at that stop button, or immediately add that send button to send that message. I'm gonna hit at send, and as you can see, I have just sent voice message to her that chat. I can hit at that play button to listen to that voice message, and in any time if I want, I can hold down and add that message, and hit on delete to remove it from that conversation. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. And also, I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I'll see you in the next one.